Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about if function, the basic if function. So, alright. So, ang if function, kailangan mo munang maintindihan yung tinatawag na logical expression. Logical expression, ito yung parang tatanungin mo ba kung totoo ba or hindi yung isang bagay. Like, kunwari, ito bang 20,000 is less than 20,000? Sasagot siya kung true or false. So, less than 20,000? No, kasi equivalent siya to 20,000. So, drag the formula. You can copy it, Control C, then Control V. Or you can just drag this down. Okay? So, that's the sample of logical expression. So, paano ba ginagamit si if? Si if, ginagamit siya kung may gusto kang maging result instead of false or true. Okay? So, for example, if this cell is less than 20,000, ang dapat lumabas is, let's say, high. Or let's say, low. Then, so, yun yung value natin if true. Pag totoo na less than 20,000 siya, ang lalabas is ito, text na to. So, don't forget the double quotation before the text and after the text. Then, comma. Then, what is the result if false? Kung anong gusto mong result pag false. Pwede rin namang wala na lang. Kung talagang gusto mo, lalabas lang is false talaga na salita. Like this. Okay? Yan, nakita nyo to. This is 10,000, so it is below 20,000. So, pwede rin naman na hindi false yung lalabas. Sabihin natin na space or dash. That. So, that's the if function. Pwede rin siyang gamitin for greater than. If this cell is greater than 20,000, the result will be mid, then equals, or I mean blank or dash, then enter, then drag the formula. Pwede rin equals if this is equivalent or equals to 20,000, the result will be same, then dash if false. So, there you go. That's it. Thank you for staying in for my video. That's the basic if function. Pwede nyo paglaro pang if function, but we will talk about that sa intermediate session natin. For now, this is the basic if function that you can use in many data or in many cases. Okay? So don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.